All right, hi there, Year 12. I just thought I'd make this instructional video on how to calculate different sets of data using ternary graphs. I think reflecting on our last assessment task, I think this may be something that we could benefit out of. Okay, so I've got this past HSC question, and we're not going to go through every single country, but I'm going to show you two countries and hopefully answer the question at the bottom of the page to refresh our memory on how to use ternary graphs. All right, so first of all, remember we always have to start on this right-hand side, okay? Very important because it is the easiest set of data to gather. So if we're looking at country Z, this is our first one. Country Z, we need to just draw a line across, and there's our data point starting from the industry perspective. Okay, we read from down here, and we read upwards, and we get to about 63%. And obviously, you guys would be doing this with a ruler. So we're looking at 63%. Okay. Now that data is representing that 63% of the workforce employed in the industry sector. All right, then we work our way in an anti-clockwise position. Okay, and we'll go to the top of the triangle and work down until the line matches up with the dot. So starting, I'll get my red pen, starting here, and we're going to work our way down. And we're probably going to work to there because we know that we line up Z, country Z. You guys would be doing this with a ruler, okay? And we get to about 4%, okay? Now mine's a little bit off because I'm not using a ruler, okay? But that should equal around 4%, all right? Now, the last one we have to do, again, we're going to start down at the 0, okay? We're going to work our way down to the bottom here. And this is the last section of data. And before we move on, let me just add that country Z, okay, using the previous set of data, 4% of employment, okay, linked to services. Now we're going down to the agriculture. Okay, we're going to work our way across again, and we're going to make our way to about there because we know that when we draw a line from country Z, let's not use that one, let's use this pen, go all the way down. Let me try and redraw that. Okay, we should get to around there, and mine's a little bit skewed, but in this scenario, okay, it equals 33%. And again, you would be using a ruler. Now, we know, okay, that we've got it right when each line is going in a separate direction, and these numbers here, okay, 4, 63, and 33 all equal to 100. So we'll quickly just do that. 63 plus 33 plus 4, we know equals 100, okay? But if we look at the question down below, okay, 3% employed in agriculture, well, we know, okay, it's not country Z because their agriculture percentage or their workforce are employed in agriculture, only 33% of them are, okay? So let's rub all that out because we know, okay, that's not the right answer, okay? We'll rub it all out, okay? And to save us our time, okay, I'm going to show you which country is, in fact, the answer, okay? And let me just rub all this out. Okay, a little bit messy there, but that's okay. All right, so looking at the question, which country has 3% in agriculture, 34% in industry, and 63% in services? Well, the answer is Y. Okay, countrywide. I can tell you why. All right, pun not intended. We're going to start at Y. We're going to work our way over. Bang, 34% work in the industry sector. Okay, again, start at 0, work your way down, and we get about 63% of the services sector, or people, 63% of the country work in the services section of employment. And the last section, working our way down, okay, we get 3% working in the agriculture sector. Okay, so we know the answer is country C. So hopefully that instructional tutorial, I guess, helps with you guys refreshing on how to use ternary graphs and how to use the data to interpret information. Okay, but so for the rest of today, we're going to be looking at some different ternary graphs that I've given out to you guys in your work booklets. So yeah, we'll leave it at that. And individually, I want you to be working through these ternary graph questions so that we are more confident executing these skills. Thanks, everyone.